Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do USB tethering in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Okay, first of all, in your phone, see in the bottom side. Okay, there will be C-type port. Okay, you have to use USB cable for doing USB tethering. Okay, so here I have USB cable with one end C-type, other end is USB cable. Okay, USB pin. Okay, so with this you have to first bring your phone and insert C-type pin into your phone here. Okay, and then other end USB end should be connected to the USB port of your laptop. Okay, see here, two USB ports are available. You can connect it to any port. Okay, now come to your phone and go to settings, then go to network and internet and click on hotspot and tethering, and here just turn on the button against USB tethering so that tethering will be turned on. That is you can share internet from your phone to laptop using USB tethering. Okay, via USB cable data, internet data will be shared. Okay, see here, this is connection. Okay, this is USB tethering connection. See there, this is USB tethering connection. Okay, so if you click on it, it will show all these settings. Okay, so in this way you can easily do USB tethering from your phone to laptop for accessing internet of your phone. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.